ये मैम के यहाँ पे आगे यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे मैम आपके सामने देखिए, यहाँ पे तृप्ति लोग यहाँ, तृप्ति जी अभी आइए, आइए अभी यहाँ पर यहाँ पे देखिएगा मैडम, यहाँ पे कैमरा, यहाँ पे यहाँ पर सामने राइट में, इधर देखो, इधर यहाँ पे सामने, अभी इधर आइए, यहाँ पर आइए ना, हाथ का को नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर आइए, अरे भाई क्या कर रहे हैं तुम लोग यार, अरे इधर आइए, यहाँ पर आइए ना, यहाँ पर ये रुकना रोहित, अरे मैम सेंटर में, इधर रुकिया, इधर देखिए, इधर सेंटर में यहाँ पर देखिए, क्या मैम यहाँ पे देखिए, वेट इधर नहीं देख रहे, तृप्ति इधर नहीं देख रहे, सेंटर में यहाँ नहीं देख रहा, ये कॉर्नर हो गया है, यहाँ पर देखिए, वेट नहीं वेट आइए, थैंक यू रोहित को फोटो लेना आपके साथ, इसलिए जाना आपके साथ, रुको बाय रुको,
हाय तृप्ति, Tripti is mic on? I think, yeah, it is working. Sharing with everybody that in recent times what we have seen is that the way in which women want to express through their jewelry is really changing. Is that true for you also? Has your relationship with jewelry changed?
I think it has. I think for me today jewelry is all about self-expression. It was not like this before. I think earlier I would only wear jewelry for a special occasion if I had to go for a wedding or some event. I remember my mom used to keep this little box for me and my sister with little jewelries in it, and I think that box would only come out when we had to, go for an event. But I think now that has shifted from being occasion-based to, it's much more personal now. Now I wear jewelry as per my mood, as per how I want to express myself on a given day. So yeah, I think it's become a part of my everyday style.
How lovely. Thank you so much for that, because I think that's something that we've also seen, that jewelry is not just a special occasion wear. It's far more versatile today as people wear it for their daily use, for going for special occasions. And like you rightly said, the minute it is daily wear, the minute it is daily occasion, we are talking about jewelry that one can wear, where you can really express, because the jewelry is so dynamic, it is so exciting. Like I think some of the things that we're wearing today, which is very exciting. But Tripti, what did you think about the Hues collection, where we've this time around for the first time looked at seeing how we can really come up with contemporary designs of pieces. So is there any specific pieces that you liked? What did you think of the overall Hues collection?
I loved it. I think it's very, very modern, as you rightly put it. It's very versatile. It's something that you can wear, on a regular day at home, and something that you can also wear when you want to dress up, go for an event, go for a wedding. I think the collection is very versatile, and my personal favorite is Blooming Orchard. I think they've kept it here for all of us to see. It's my personal, I think I wore it for the shoot as well, and I couldn't stop admiring it. The colors are so beautiful, the use of natural gemstones, which we usually look at it as, we put it in a box. I feel that, okay, it's natural gemstones, so it's traditional. It cannot be modern, but I think this collection really changes that. I think it breaks that idea, and I think now with this collection, people will look at natural gemstones as something, that is modern, something that you can wear on a daily basis.
How lovely. And for us, keeping the gemstones natural was a very, very thought through decision. Why natural? Because today I think most women are also looking to have something which has meaning, which has depth, you know, which has character. And every stone is special, right? And I'm so glad that you spoke about the design that you really liked, which is here on display. But maybe what I'll do is I'll invite our design head from Tanishq, Garima, to talk a little bit more about the design language, the stones, because there are many, many, many new things that we're doing.
Hi, it's one of our favorites too. So what really we have done in this collection is inspired by the spirit of summer, the brightness, the blooming of the flowers. You know, if you see this garden, actually, this piece captures the spirit of the garden, where there are marigolds, there are hibiscus, there are these beautiful colors which we've captured through calibrated gemstones. Each of the color of the emeralds, amethysts and marigolds, which is depicted by citrines. These are all natural semi-precious stones which come from across the world. And we've crafted them with some very intricate techniques, using gold, using bezels which are very sculpted and very, very interesting in badik. So the kadigari of Tanishq is very alive in the piece, but it is for the modern woman to wear it and style it with her ethno-contemporary look, just like you and even us. So yeah.
Yeah, very beautifully. And I was surprised because I must share with all of you, in India, I think there are 2-3 different kinds of natural gemstones which are very popular. You know, the emeralds, the rubies, etc. But in our collection, we have 14 different kinds of gemstones. Just imagine, I didn't even know that many existed. Yeah, 14 different kinds of natural gemstones. And some of them are faceted, because of which they sparkle. Right? Some of them are carved, because every gemstone has a story to tell. And then some of these gemstones, I think there is a term called
They're cabochons.
Cabochons, which are polished.
And they bring out a lot of light and luster in the pieces, and it gives a very modern look. Generally, faceted stones are used with diamonds, but over here, they really bring out the ethno beauty that we wanted to, you know, bring with our collection. So thanks for covering that, Becky. There are almost 315 varieties of semi-precious stones, which we will possibly be using in the coming collections and bringing to really, you know, enthrall our customers.
Yeah, that's exciting also, because while Tanishq, it feels like with the natural gemstones that Tanishq is launching, we are expanding the repertoire for our women, from gold to diamond, now to these colored gemstones, which are natural, and it is backed by the credibility of Tanishq, right? Because very often in India, what happens is a lot of people are a little worried about buying gemstones because they don't know the origin, or they don't know whether or not what they're getting and the price that they're paying, is it right, not right? They also don't know if it will hold value. But at Tanishq, what happens is every gemstone will be natural. Every gemstone can get exchanged, no matter how many years you decide to keep it and then decide to come back and take another one, right? And the last piece, of course, is that at any point in time, because gemstone requires maintenance, there is free maintenance in our stores that you can come and look at, right? But I think let's come back to a very interesting thought, I think, yes, of course, was that, like Garima called out and you said, right, at the end of the day, these are truly contemporary designs. How would you style this?
I think I like being effortless, simple, keeping it real, keeping it according to what I'm feeling. And I think with Tanishq hues, it gives you that freedom because the designs are so versatile, as you put it. You can, you know, as I said earlier, you can wear it for a special occasion, you can wear it for a party, you can wear it for interviews, you can wear it wherever you want to and style it however you want to, because no matter what, it's going to elevate your look. So I think that's the beauty of the Hues collection.
And I think just the fact that today you're wearing a gown, I'm wearing a salwar kameez, and you had Garama who was wearing a ethno-contemporary style, I think, and all of us are wearing hues of different colors, of different stones. And Tripti, I must tell you that we're so proud with this association. We're so proud to have you with us as the face of the brand on this campaign, because I think you truly live what the Hues collection and our foray into Tanishq Natural Gemstones is all about, purely because of how effortlessly you're so rooted, yet at the same time, how modern, contemporary you are. I think the most beautiful part of it about Tripti, at least what we have seen, Tripti, as big admirers of your work, is how you've been evolving, how you've expressed, and at the same time stay true to who you are, right? And that's truly what the Tanishq Natural Gemstones are all about. It is about that effortlessness with which you can bring in a very pure blend of both natural gemstones which are authentic, which are meaningful, which are real, and at the same time with designs which are so contemporary that you can use it anytime. So thank you so much, each and every one of you. Please take some time to move around the store after this. But before we do that, we have one thing that we wanted to share with you. Do we have the film now? Okay, lovely. So please watch the film where we have Tripti on it.
आज कौन सा पहनूं?
हल्के से खिले कुछ मन में सिलसिले, देखो जहाँ भी जाए नजर, हुआ मेरे रंगों का असर। रंगीन है मेरा जहाँ, रंगीन है आसमान।
कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगे तृप्ति जी।
Thank you.
बताइए तृप्ति जी को कैसा लगा?
तृप्ति जी बहुत अच्छे लगे।
Great. Thank you so much. Photographs with Tripti and then we'll take it out.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for your time.
माइक ले लो।
That few years ago, me and my friend used to come down to this very store to shop, and we would spend hours here. The staff was very friendly, and I would look at the hoarding outside and be like, one day I'm going to be on this hoarding. And today when I was walking in, I saw the hoarding and I was like, the manifestation has come true.
आइए फोटो करते हैं।
अरे मैडम, लेफ्ट टू राइट।
या सेंटर सेंटर।
यहाँ पर देखिए।
सेंटर सेंटर
सेंटर सेंटर सेंटर।
यहाँ पे देखिए। सामने
अरे भाई।
चलो
थैंक यू सोलो।
या लुक सेंटर। लुक या
यहाँ पर देखिए
तृप्ति सेंटर सेंटर।
यहाँ पर देखिए, यहाँ पर देखिए। ओके थैंक यू सोलो। या डायमंड
लुक या
नीचे सेंटर देखिए ना, नीचे यहाँ पर दीजिए, यहाँ पर दीजिए सेंटर।
यहाँ पर सामने यहाँ पे देखिएगा। यहाँ पे
यहाँ पे सामने
यहाँ पे देखिए।
यहाँ तो देख रहे ही नहीं।
यहाँ पे यहाँ पे देखिए। थैंक यू।
डन डन।
राजा को अभी तक नहीं मिला। यही चलेगा। अरे भाई यस डन, थैंक यू।